Hello, I am Kimberly Throckmorton, the manager for the Center of Nursing Excellence here at the Southern Virginia Higher Education Center. Here at the center, we offer training to healthcare professional students as well as currently practicing healthcare professionals in the community. In the CNE, students get a chance to work with simulated patients that allow them opportunities to practice and safely perform skills that they will need in their future as a practicing healthcare professional. They get an opportunity to work with infants, toddlers, adults, birthing moms, and geriatric patients. They can train on doing assessments on their patients, which include listening to the realistic heart and lung sounds, as well as checking for bruises, rashes, or other alarming findings. They also can administer medications just as they would a real patient and help deliver a newborn baby. They work as a team to collaboratively take care of patients with illnesses that they may see in real life, and they work with the instructor and their peers before and after simulations to work through the details of patient care. There are many opportunities in healthcare to work in a variety of different fields. You can work at the bedside in a hospital or long-term care facility, a clinic, rescue squad, military, information technology, and so many more. There are also many opportunities to advance your career. You can start at one level and work your way up to achieve your desired career. Here at Southern Virginia Higher Education Center and the Center of Nursing Excellence, we want to help individuals find a healthcare career path that suits their interests, needs, and wants. In addition, once on that path, we want to make sure that students get adequate training to provide quality care to their future patients. When in a healthcare career, we want to provide furthering education to sharpen and practice skills that may need refreshing. These skills may include certifications or recertifications in things like CPR, or learning how to adapt and use different type of equipment. Or maybe you decide you're ready to venture on to the next step of your healthcare career journey, and we want to help make that transition as easy as possible. We want to be a resource where individuals can come and feel excited about education and help our community grow in providing high-quality health care. I want to thank you for your participation in the Area Health Education Center Summer Healthcare Careers Camp and hope to see you in our Center of Nursing Excellence in the near future. Thank you.